Today I'm going to share with you about CIT Bank's Savings Connect account, which is currently at 4.5% APY, which is amazing. That's 12 times the national average, which is so cool. So 4.5% interest on your high yield savings account. And with this account, there's only a minimum balance of $100. So that is super low, minimum balance of $100. There are no fees. There are no minimum balances that you have to maintain, just that $100 to open the account. And they have a mobile banking app, which is super convenient. You can deposit checks, electronic transfer, you can mail in a check. Now I do have an affiliate link for you down below in the description box, and it is obviously nothing for you to sign up, but it is a great way to support me and my family and a way that I can create more and more of these videos. And I will have links for you down below in the description box. So if you want to sign up for CIT Bank, I would love for you to use my link, and I'll have it linked for you down below. One thing I do want to note is CIT Bank does not have any physical locations, so you can't go into a branch and deposit a check or take cash out or anything like that. But because of that, CIT Bank is able to offer a lot higher interest rate for you, which is a huge benefit. If you go to banks like Wells Fargo or Bank of America, it's typically 0.01% APY on their savings accounts, whereas CIT Bank can offer you 4%, 4.75%, a lot higher interest. So there's a little bit of a trade-off, and that is why online high-yield savings accounts have a lot higher APY than traditional banks. One of the huge benefits of an online savings account like CIT Bank is compound interest. So the way that compound interest works is you deposit $500 to start off with. Then the next month you get your interest. So say, just for easy math, you get $505. So you get $5 for interest and your account balance of $500. So $505, then you're going to be accruing interest that month on the total amount. And then the next month, you're going to get, say, another $5. So then you're going to be accruing interest on $510. And then the next month, $515. So you're accruing interest on the total balance, even the interest that you earned the previous month. So that is how compound interest works. And it just compounds, and you're going to be able to save. And it's kind of like reinvesting dividends, if you're familiar with dividend income. So it's going to be reinvesting, and that is a great way to build more wealth by having compound interest. I swear compound interest is like the eighth wonder of the world. Question I get asked a lot is, how safe is CIT Bank? So CIT Bank has actually been around since 1908, and CIT Bank is FDIC insured, which is very important when you're looking for a bank. You want to make sure that it's FDIC insured. And what that means is it is insured up to $250,000. And if something happens to that bank, let's say the bank goes under for whatever reason, which is very rare, but let's say the bank goes under, you're insured up to $250,000. So if you have more than $250,000, I do not recommend having it all in one account, regardless of any bank, whether it's CIT Bank or another bank. You want to have a maximum in your account of $250,000, but anything below that, whether it's $500, $1,000, $10,000, whatever it is, it's going to be insured up to $250,000 if that bank goes under, which is very important and something that you definitely want to look for when you are putting money into a bank. Let's keep the conversation going. If you want to learn about CIT Bank's e-checking account, which is one of the only checking accounts that offers interest, which is amazing. So check that video out here. And if you want a full review of CIT Bank, all the pros, the cons, everything, I personally use CIT Bank, so I know all the pros and cons, check out this video here.